Hello everyone. We just had an unbelievably big update today. The Dow Jones had the biggest gain in any one day in its history, which is a really good news coming off of all of the bad things that have happened. Seems like the market is responding to the stimulus packages that we've been talking about in the past. Um, Having said that, I would like to see more than one day before we start to get too excited about a bottom. A second follow through day would be very critical. And then I'm also looking for a fourth day where it does not retrace back down to a new low. Many of the bottoms historically have had a pattern like that, and that's something we will look for. You will see quite a few transactions coming through. We took advantage of some of the things that were happening today to sell a few pieces at some higher points and to rotate into healthcare, software, and consumer staples, as well as some of the lower volatility stocks. If we do end up coming down to a new low, we'll be prepared for that. And if we continue to make a V recovery and come all the way back, we'll adjust for that also. I have one client who asked me to pass along a piece of information. She said that the grocery stores here locally are offering senior only times, and she went to one of those times. So there's only 4 people in the store at the time, and so she thought maybe I should pass that along if you have something like that available in your area that might be worth looking for. We will continue to pass along positive articles and thoughts and news and whatnot just to try to offset some of the negative things that are happening. And obviously we'll continue to watch the portfolios, but I hope everybody stays healthy and safe. Thank you.